Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dropping Gems, and I want to thank you so much for joining us today. For today's video, we're basically going to look up some niche ideas since you're already headed to Q4, which is the fourth quarter of the year. This video is a bit late, however, I still think it's important for some persons to help some persons in trying to find out basically a good niche idea or some of the niches you can use coming late into the year. Alright, so let's get started. First, you're going to go into the incognito tab. On your Google search engine, you're going to log into your Amazon account. Well, you can log into your Amazon account, or you can not log into your Amazon account, it's your choice. And we're basically going to think about some of the things that happens during the Q4. So we're going to go to books, and we're going to come down to we want to focus mostly on books for the time being, and then we're going to niche down from there. All right, okay, I'm not finding what I want here. Let's see what that is, and let's check up I'm trying to find just books. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Alright, this is just giving me Kindle books, and I'm not really looking for Kindle books. I'm looking mostly for books, just books overall. So what I'll do, we're going to come over here, and we're going to try to see if we can find paperback books. Let's go here, but they're all Kindle. I don't want Kindle books. All right. Since they're hell bent on just giving us Kindle books, we're going to go to books here. Alright, so open a brand new window and we're going to start with one niche idea since you're in Q4, and we can look at Halloween. I know that Halloween is in October, and there are probably a lot of books that are being created now for Halloween. So we're going to go through each and every one of these suggestions here to see basically which one has the least competition, and you can also see and also have ideas to show you exactly what it is that some persons are making during this time for the Halloween season. All right, so I know you can see we have over 60,000 results. So this is Halloween books for kids. This is very competitive. So we're going to look at another idea. Let's try adults. We're still at 60,000 results. So we need to try something else. Let's try Halloween. Thousand results. This is not bad. But if it's a bit high, we're looking for anything between 2,000 or 3,000. So as you can see here, we have all these different kinds of books. We want to focus mainly on paperback books. So you're going to come down here to the format. And then we're going to click books that have been published within the last 30 days. Just to basically see what some persons have placed out there. We also want to know if there is that any of these books are actually sold. So we're going to come down to most reviews. See here, it is narrowed down to 3,000. So I pause the video for a few minutes just so that we can see what Jungle Scout my extension is going to bring up. So let's reload this page and see what happens. Alright, so we load the page. As you can see, this is sponsored. No, this is not a sponsored book. It was published on August 28th, which was less than a month ago. Halloween edition for boys, girls. It's Laugh O'Clock. It's a joke book. And we can see it has 125 monthly sales. This is a BSR. The categories it's in: daily sales, monthly revenue. the net profits that's being made and the fees. We can see they have Halloween question and answer books for boys and girls. Would you rather? Or would you rather question and answer book? What else do they have? We have coloring pages. This is a coloring book for kids. So you can see there are many niches. Since we have a joke book, Halloween joke book, and we have a question and answers book, let's see what happens when we type in Halloween. Alright, we have 20,000 results. That's a lot. Let's try joke book for kids. And voila, you're down to 4,000. If we go to the most reviews, we can see the bestseller. We want to find books within the past 90 days. Alright, it doesn't look, here we go. Last 30 days. And there you have it. There's another Would You Rather game book for kids. So we found a Halloween joke book for kids. And we've also found the Halloween question and answers. And then they niche down to, you can also look for a Halloween game book for kids. You can probably look for a Halloween storybook. And so forth. So that can give you some idea on some niche ideas as it pertains to Halloween. Let's check another niche. One other niche that you can use during the Q4 time are bedtime stories. You have for toddlers, for kids, for babies. Let's try for babies. And as you can see here, the results is 50,000. So there's a lot of bedtime storybooks that you can make. And you can niche this down. Alright. Let's try bedtime stories for babies. Bad book. There we have, wow, 491 results. That's nice. Not what I was expecting. So that's not a niche idea. If I were you, I would have basically started making some form of short story reading book for a baby in this niche. As you can see, there's many sales and so forth for these books. Another niche idea you can probably check out during this time is Christmas books. Let's try Christmas stories. From around the world. And these are long-term keywords that I'm basically using in order to niche down, in order to find a good niche idea or category. So what we're going to do, we're going to come down and we're going to click on last 30 days to see basically, I guess by the number, there's only books that have been published in the past 90 days. No one has published anything within the past 30 days. And then we're going to click on I'm sure by now you guys have realized that hardcover was added on the KDP, so you can make hardcover books when you're making storytime books and so forth. So the most reviewed books under Christmas stories from around the world, we have Time for Mercy. Let's see if we have any paperback books. Don't have much paperback books, but I guess with those three niches you guys have well understand the basic idea on how it is that you can go about looking for books during this time. Two other niches you can look under is books basically about cats or animals. Basically, you can do activity books, or you can do books with regards to ninja or dragons or llamas. Those are nice niches to look at during this time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video where we're basically going to go through more niche ideas, and so thank you so much. Bye.